Hello everyone, this is Lavesh Malvi from BSc AG, 4th year, JNKV College of Agriculture, Riva. My topic is production technology of brinjal. Introduction. Botanical name Solanum melongena, family Solanaceae, chromosome number 2 and 2X is 24. Origin India, other name eggplant. Uses high is nutritive value, rich in minerals, calcium, magnesium, potassium, calcium, and potassium, phosphorus, and iron. A good source of vitamin A and C. Used as a cooked vegetable, used in pickle making and in dehydration industry. A cure for toothache, excellent remedy for those suffering from liver complaints. Brinjal classification. Classification on the basis of growth habit. Solanum melongena variety. Esculentum fruit is long, round, and ovule. Solanum melongena variety serpentinum, known as snakel brinjal. Fruit is extraordinarily long. Solanum melongena variety depressium. Plant is extensively short and dwarf. Brinjal classification. Classification on the basis of fruit shape. Long brinjal pusa purple long. Round brinjal pusa purple round. Oval brinjal pusa karanti. Classification on the basis of fruit color. Purple brinjal PPG, PPL, PPC. Green brinjal Arka kusumkar. Climate and soil. Brinjal is the warm season crop. It is a susceptible to serve frost. It requires a long warm season before fruit maturity. Optimum temperature is 22 to 30 degrees Celsius. Brinjal can be grown on a wide range of soils. The ideal soil should be a deep, fertile, and well drained soil pH 5.5 to 6. Season and seed rate. The brinjal seed production can be taken in the following two seasons: May, June, and December, January. Seed rate varieties 400 to 500 gram प्रति hectare. Hybrid 200 gram प्रति hectare. Female 50 gram प्रति hectare. Male. Varieties: IIHR Bengaluru, Arka Kusumkar, Arka Sheel, Arka Nidhi, Arka Srishi, Arka Nilkant, Arka Keshav. IIR New Delhi, Pusa Kranti, Pusa Purple Cluster, Pusa Purple Long, Pusa Anupam, Pusa Purple Round, Pusa Behavior, Pusa Uttam, Pusa Bindu, Pusa Ankur. GBPATN, Pantnagar, Pant Rituraj, Pant Samrat, HIU Hisar, Hisar Pragati, Hisar Shamal, Hisar Jamuni. PAU लुधियाना पंजाब, बरसाती पंजाब, नीलम पंजाब, सदाबहार. हाइब्रिड पूसा अनमोल, अर्का नवनीत. Hybrid seed production, the planting ratio of female and male parent adopt for hybrid seed production is normally 5:1 or 6:1. For production of hybrid seeds, crossing program is done using emasculation and dusting method as followed in tomato. Emasculation distance. Brinjal is a cross-planted crop, so certified seed production field must be 100 meters away from the brinjal variety or vegetable field. It will enable us to maintain the genetic purity and also physical mixture at the time of harvest. Nursery. So the seed is raised nursery bed of 20 height in rows of 5 cm gap and covered with shade. Elite 8 and 10 nursery beds will be sufficient to transplant 1 acre. Apply to 2 kg of DAP 10 days before pulling out of seedling. Transplanting. This seedling 8 to 10 cm height with 2 to 3 true leaves. Seedling should be hardened before transplanting. Transplanting rides and furrow system. Spacing depends on soil fertility, climatic condition, and variety. Example: long fruited varieties size 16 to 60 cm, round fruited varieties 75 to 75 cm. Manuring. 25 to 30 tons well decomposed FIM is incorporated in the soil before transplanting. NPK 100,80,60 kg per hectare is generally applied. Half of the nitrogen, full quantity of phosphorus, and K potassium is applied at the time of transplanting, while the remaining quantity of nitrogen at 30 days and 45 days after transplanting. Thank you.